like the bicycles, like we have 3 points, but the bicycles, like you can use it during the stay from anywhere. We can say that you cannot reserve any bicycles. So if the bicycle leave it anywhere, you can take it the bicycle and you can use it.
Okay.
But we just recommend not to keep any personal things when you lift the bicycle to anywhere. So anybody can take the bicycles from it.
Oh, okay.
So like the bicycle from evening 6 to morning 6 o'clock, we don't allow to ride the bicycles for the safety reasons.
Okay.
So this is the end of the island side. Over here we have a bar we call this the rock. So this is like we say rock bar and sunset bar.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this bike will be opening only in the sunset timing from 5 to 7.
Okay.
So if you like to do the snow cleaning, it's a very nice place for a snow cleaning. Like always the water is going to be calm. It will be blocking from the coral from that side.
Oh, that's great.
You can see like baby sharks, different colorful fishes always around here.
Okay. We
So
can
this-
go inside of water.
Yeah, you
and
can go. So this side we have one of the bicycle point nearby the rock bar. One point it will be nearby the diving center, and another point it will be nearby the honeymoon villas. It's nearby your villa side.
okay.
If you are in the honeymoon villa, also when you come outside from your deck, you can see the sunset from that side also. You don't have to come directly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Or maybe one day you can just pass by here. This side we have all of our beach pool villas. So this side all the villas we have a pool. The one which is another side we don't have a pool. We have all around the island Wi-Fi. There will be no password. So when you switch on the Wi-Fi from your phone, you can just find OBLU Wi-Fi. You can just connect it directly.
Okay.
All
The
right.
Wi-Fi in the room, restaurants and bar, it will be good. Outside it might be weak, but still that you will get the Wi-Fi.
All right.
We have here our departure lounge and the kids club. Actually, like the departure lounge, if your flight is in the late in the evening, so our checkout time is going to be at 12. That you can just relax it in the departure lounge. And
Okay.
if you want to take a shower, also you can take a shower from there also.
Got it.
Hello, how many pieces of luggage you have?
Two checking.
I'll check your luggage before you go to the class.
All right. No problem.
You don't have to wait, so we can go luggage check at the same time.
Okay.